Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. This is your girl Sonia from Sonia Creative Kitchen, and today I am going to make some carrot rice and some beetroot shrimp soup. Follow me panda one. So guys, over here I have all of my ingredients, but first I am going to turn my stove on for my carrot rice. I already have my coconut freshly squeezed, coconut milk. So I'm going to go right in and start just seasoning up my shrimp. So guys, I have some fish seasoning, Maggi fish seasoning, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, pinch of black pepper, smoked paprika, garlic salt, and some onion powder. Now I'm going to add my favorite spice, pimento or pimenta. I have some chopped up scotch bonnet pepper, some chopped up thyme, some chopped up onion, so now guys, I'm gonna mix everything together. But first I'm gonna add some chopped up garlic and ginger. I'm gonna turn on my stove for my shrimp. And I add some coconut oil. So guys, my oil is hot, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. Smells so delicious. So guys, as you can see, the shrimp started to cook. So I'm turning it over on the other side. Smells so good. So guys, I give them 3 minutes on each side. So now I'm going to remove them and then saute all my seasoning. So now guys, I'm going to add the rest of my garlic and ginger, some carrots. I have some scallion and onion and two different type of sweet pepper. I'm gonna add my spice pimento or pimenta. Saute this up for a little bit. Then I'm gonna add my beetroot. This smells amazing. Thyme, adding some thyme right here. So guys, I'm gonna add my beetroot. Allow this to come to a boil. Then I add my shrimp. So guys, I'm gonna add a little bit more all-purpose seasoning. Put a teaspoon and a little bit more of the fish seasoning. Give it a nice stir. So now I am going to allow it to simmer. Look at this, guys. Look amazing. So now guys, I'm going to add my shrimp. Wow. I'm gonna allow this to cook for another 5 minutes. And then I'll turn it off. Take another look, guys. Smell delicious. So now guys, I am going to cover this to finish cook and get started on my carrot rice. So guys, I'm gonna add my garlic and thyme and scallion, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my carrot. I'm gonna add Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, pinch of salt, butter, my spice pimento, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So guys, I'm gonna allow this to cook for a few more minutes, then I'll add my rice. Check in, guys. So now I am going to wash my rice. Look over here on my shrimp, guys. Beetroot shrimp. So now I'm going to turn my stove off. I'm going to add my corn, my sweet corn. Looks pretty. So now guys, I'm going to cover and allow this pot to finish cook. Check in guys. Look at my carrot rice with my sweet corn. Take out the good old scotchy out of it. Shelly and nice. Wow. Guys, you need to try this recipe. You will love it. So now that my carrot rice is finished, the next time you see me, I will be sharing my dinner. Check in my beautiful people. Dinner is served. Come close. Oh, no, come close no man. Come look at my carrot rice. Nice salad and my beetroot shrimps. Amazing. Wonderful. I would like to give a few shout out first to all of my viewers and subscribers. Jennifer Williams, big up yourself. Stacy James, big up yourself. Chino, you know yourself. Guys, have a wonderful night or morning wherever you are at this time watching. Please try this recipe. It is amazing, very easy and tasty, but I don't eat shrimp, so my husband and my daughter will certainly have a feast tonight with this one. See you on the next video. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember, we say Jamaica. Bye.